Hey everybody, it's Rebecca, the Bexa Boss Lady, and I am here with you today to tell you about my new routine of coloring my own hair. Since the pandemic, I have spent a significant amount of time on self-improvement, and a part of that is doing my own hair. I have not had a haircut in actually it'll be a year. My last haircut was on December 30th, which is my birthday, and today is December 26th, and so it has been almost a year since I had my haircut. It's definitely in need of a tune-up, but I'm not quite ready to cut my own hair yet. I have tried a few different home coloring systems. I have a lot of gray. You can tell in some of my videos, but it's pretty much all of the crown of my hair. It's really bad, actually, once it grows out. And my hair is pretty dark, which you can see. So I tried esalon and it was fine. It's, I think, less expensive. Don't quote me on that. I'll put all the information for the color kit I'll put in the description of this video. The esalon product, I just didn't feel like it covered my gray enough. And so I ended up switching to Madison Reed, which they actually have color salons now. This isn't a sponsored post, but I will put my affiliate link in the description if you want to try it. Get something a little special for yourself. I have some things and they have different coupons off for new users, new members, whatever. And then, yeah, feel free to use those and give it a try. Once you open the box, it comes with everything that you need to color your hair, except it doesn't come with clips. And if you want a bowl and a brush, you have to order that separately, but I just use my hands, so I don't order the extra stuff. Oh, look, they're now doing hair color for men. Honey, they're doing hair color for men. He has no hair. They have directions in here. It's very self-explanatory. If you've ever been to the salon and you've ever had your hair colored, you kind of know the process. Here we go. This is the directions. It comes with little pictures if you aren't really sure. I get the kit. It's $35 a month. And I get one a month, so I do color my hair every 4 weeks. It comes with a shampoo and conditioning pack, barrier cream, which you're just going to put around your hairline when you do your coloring, and then a cleansing wipe, and this takes everything off. When you go online to figure out what hair color, you answer their quiz, and they'll give you the color that you, whatever color ends up being. I'm Ravenna Brown, and it's 3NNN. The 3NNN, that's like how much gray I like need a lot. It's like N for gray coverage. My hair's pretty dark. It's really dark brown, but it's not black. And they give you this beautiful hair cap, and you get gloves. I thought they forgot gloves in my pack. The thing I like about this is the products are ammonia, paraben free, gluten free, blah blah blah, all of that stuff. So, and you can, it'll tell you on their website. I've been doing this for a while. I don't feel like I need to be somewhere where I can get stuff everywhere, so I don't mind doing it here at my beauty station. But if you're someone who isn't sure, you feel like you're going to fling it all over the place, you might want to go in your garage or in your bathroom or in your basement, somewhere where you are not afraid to get color on yourself. Also, wear crappy clothes because you don't want to get anything on your clothes. They're going to tell you that you should do your hair in all sorts of different quadrants, basically. So one quadrant here and one quadrant here and two. I do three. I do this side, that side, and the back. And there's no rhyme or reason. You don't have to get fancy about it. I can't find my comb, or I would. Normally I have like a little comb that I use to just scoop this up. Now that you have your hair, where you want it, you're going to get your coloring bottle, the cap. You're going to get the coloring bottle, the cap, and the color, and your gloves. It comes in a tube like this, and you can see this is sealed. You want to take the cap with the poker thing in it, and you pop it, and then it's open like that. You have this guy, and I just hold it like this, and then I roll this down. So we're just gonna roll and I want to make sure I get as much of the color into the bottle as I can. I find that rolling it gets better results than if you just squeeze it. Now, instead of putting the flat cap back on, you're going to put the pointed cap on and you shake, like a shake weight. Now that you have your hair up, you put the barrier on. Take one part of your hair. We're gonna do the right first. If you're using a brush, this is where you would take your brush and in the bowl and you'd mix it and then you would apply. I just use my finger and the bottle. So we're gonna take the bottle, take the cap off, that would help, and just go along the line, your hairline, and then I simply push it forward and backwards. Now this is only if you're just doing your roots. If you're doing a full hair color, you were just gonna put it all over your hair. But since right now I'm just coloring my roots and getting the gray, I don't want all of the hair color for the whole time. Now you'll pull the hair color through at the end. It doesn't have to be even. Your lines don't have to be straight, but you do have to make sure that you get the color on all the gray hairs. So if you're doing it, you want to make sure that there's enough color to go through the whole blotch here. And remember, this whole bottle has to last while you're doing your hair. So don't use a ton in the beginning. You can always go back and add more in places. What you're going to notice here is that I am pretty good at doing this myself. Don't feel like you have to do this all by yourself if you have someone at home that's willing to put the color in your parts and especially help you in the back. I've been doing it for a long time, so it's easy for me, but I can see how doing it in the back might be hard if you're not used to it. So now at this point, I go through and I just add a little bit more in here into the front and really rub it in. Cover your hair. It says leave on your roots for 30 minutes, but I usually leave it on for 45 minutes, maybe an hour. After 35 minutes or 45 minutes, I put the rest of the color, there's some more. I come back and I run it all through my hair so it just blends it in. I don't want all of the color depositing on my hair all the time because it's just gonna keep adding up. It gets gross if you over color your hair all the time. So do the roots, leave it on, and then I'm gonna pull it through in a little bit. So I'll be right back. Okay, now I'm gonna take the clips out and just pull the color all the way through. Don't wait too long to wipe the color off or else it might leave a stain on your face. Leave this on for another 10 to 15 minutes and then I'm gonna take a shower. When I take a shower, I just let the water run on my hair for a little bit and kind of work a lot of the color out. And then I take the shampoo and I use the Madison Reed shampoo. And then if you don't get it all out, I take another shampoo. I have Pureology in there and I shampoo and wash it out again. And then I put the conditioner on. So I'll see you after I shower. Welcome back. I'm out of the shower and I got my little turban thing here. All right, so my hair, it'll look better when it's dry. You'll be able to tell more. But you can see that my grays are gone. Let's dry it and see what it looks like. I love this stuff. It's the IGK Car Service Blowout Balm. I don't use a lot of stuff in my hair. And if it weren't for this video, I would probably just let it air dry. I've hardly been drying my hair since the pandemic, so I've been home, so I don't really need to. If you were gonna ask me the number one thing I'd ever encourage you to buy for your hair is this blowout brush thing. It is amazing. Actually, I am gonna add some root pump.
My hair is super long and it's coarse, so it takes a while to dry, but this brush has really helped even it out at the end of the dry, and you'll see here I have some volume and it's really nice and straight. If I were actually going out or doing anything, I might do more to my hair, but since I'm staying home and it's a pandemic, I'm just gonna leave it at this.
Okay, you can see the gray is gone. Yay! I just finished it off with the Kicker from Dry Bar. Very light spray. Voila. It is complete. Now I just need to I waited too long to take the dye off my head because I was filming this video, I wasn't paying attention. So this will come off though, the little dye parts that are left. But this is it. It's a finished result. Did you use Madison Reed? Have you used esalon? Do you just use Clairol? Share below. Let me know what you're using. What is your Madison Reed hair color? I always love to know like what is their most popular color. And all the links for everything I use in this video will be in the description. Hopefully this video has helped you feel confident and positive about coloring your own hair. I know it has saved me over $1,000 a year, so I know it will save you money too. Anyway, be safe, be healthy, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.